Hey, what's up, everyone? What's up? Where is me Xcode, moit? It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. There we are. Nice. Still open. Perfect. Is that active? Yes, it is. Awesome. Awesome. How's everyone doing? Finally, I'm back. Finally back. Oh, by the way, actually, give me 1 second. I'm gonna move this over to. Oh shit. Fuck. Hold on, I got a problem here. I have a problem. I got to arrange my displays again properly to the left and right. Sheesh. All right, let me drag this over here. It's gonna get a bit bigger. What's this? Oh yeah. We're gonna close that project and we're gonna open up Xcode here. The other one. There we go. It's a bit smaller. You know what? I'm gonna keep that there. I'm just gonna make a new thing here. Big screen study. Sorry guys, I didn't realize I don't have all this set up here. Paste it here. Here we go. Let's just update this Xcode here. Should be fine. There we go. A bit bigger. All right. You kidding me? I can't do it. Hold on. God damn it. This one's gonna delete this. Add a new Xcode. macOS screen capture. Xcode. I don't know why it has to be like this. Xcode. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And we're gonna drop that down here. Cool. That's better. That's a lot better. Where's my mouse? Where's me mouse, moit? All right, bit of studying before the gym. Why not? Love to do it. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. Should we put some music on? I don't know. I'm bored of this music, to be honest. Uh, Hello? All right, there you go. We've made a bit of progress recently with this app. A bit of progress. It's happening. Getting there. We did need help with the AI to set that up. Now, one final thing before I fully get started here, I just gotta call my mom for some reason. Don't know why. So I'll be back in a sec. Hey Vizal, how's it going, man? It's going really. Oh, I mean, now it's good. It was a little bit annoying earlier. Thank you so much, and you too. Um, yeah, my mic is off because I'm talking. I'm just on the phone here. I've got an issue with my some sort of issue with my car that I have to deal with. So yeah, I'll just be back shortly onto the stream. But nice to see you, man. Okay. My music stopped. I'm assuming it's because a video is playing on my thing, but yeah. This first part, I'm just gonna have a look here real quick. Oh, my chair, Jesus. Come on, man. Got a new chair. I'm trying. Why am I using my okay, here we go. So hold on. I've got a video thing here that I need to look at. So we're gonna look at that for a minute. You guys are probably bored out of your minds, because it's not gonna be coding. Hey Raj. But yeah, I need to look at this real quick. It's gonna be a mystery. We're solving a mystery here. We're solving who keyed my car. I'm pretty good, man. A bit hot here right now, which is weird because it's winter, but yeah, it's okay. Um, I'm not super relaxed at the moment, but other than that, yeah. So like, I don't know if I should be showing this on because you can't really tell what this is. But it's basically my parking area, and trying to find out who keyed my car. And this guy, I'm pretty sure, is the one who did it, to be honest. Yeah, I know. Well, I was not active the past few days either. And also, my Discord is bugged. I can't access it on my phone, which is crazy. So this guy uses bikes or whatever, right? Is he a biker or what is he doing over here? Don't even know. He's definitely over here doing some weird shit. Can I watch this in 2 times speed? How do I do that? Playback. Oh, yeah. Playback. Uh, Speed. Here you go. 1.5 maybe? Yeah, man. I'm so surprised. Um, I mean, that's like 3 weeks worth. So 4 weeks is maybe, I don't know, what, like $25? $26 maybe? I seem to get rough. Well, it's starting to go up. It's roughly around like $1 to $3 a day. I know. It's bonkers. How am I already at like how am I at 1090 subscribers? It's insane. I don't understand it. I'm at 1092, 1093 right now. 1100 is coming up so fast. Another 100. Oh, thank you. Thank you, brother. I'm assuming most of you here right now, including you, Raj, have been here before, so you know what I'm usually doing, and you're here to watch this random shit right now. Look at this. Look at this guy. He's doing something with a bike. Does he take a bike? Does he bike? Is that what he does? Oh, look, he bikes. So, what if he did key my car with a bike? Oh my God. Okay, so my car's not there right now. My car's next to this silver one here. It will be when I come in. There I am. Here I am, doing shit. Walking with my Crocs. Now, the question is, okay, you know what's weird? So, there's a woman. She has no idea I'm doing this. This is not just any clip. This is the garage. This is my garage, man. No. Someone's keyed my car in some way with something. So I'm trying to figure out who it is. Today I got this footage from the body corporate from here where I live. So, and it's weird because the woman who like checked this for us initially was like, "Oh, there's no one there. There's no one." But that dude must have come back at some point with his bike, right? So where is that? And we're always suspicious of that guy. And this is all the points of where my when my car was at home while I wasn't monitoring it. I think the key is to watch for that guy. Actually, come back. There's another person. I'm just gonna have a quick look at this clip because it seems suspicious. No, that's okay. It's okay. I didn't really tell anyone about it. We got some cars going. Oh, it just pauses. Wonder if I can just do what's the highest playback speed I can get? 4, 3. Let's go 3 times. Maybe 4 times. Because we should see him come back, but at the same time I don't wanna miss it. But I don't wanna waste time. At least this is smooth playback and scrolling. Oh, hold on. There he comes back in with this guy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's see. He's a weirdo. He's honestly such a weirdo. He's putting his bike back. I'm gonna watch this back in normal speed. Me, not me being here investigating with you. It's fascinating. It's interesting what's gonna happen. Because he's a creep, we know that. He acts like a nice guy, but like, and he seems like a nice guy. But dude, he has 3 cars in this parking garage that we have. He has 3 of his own cars. He's always trying to get someone to lend him their parking space because he just has too many like his 3 cars and he needs space for these unnecessary cars that he's constantly working on to try and fix. And I guess they might have some sentimental value to him. I don't know. Which is fine, but like he can't do things against the rules of the body corp. And one time he put his car like I don't know if you can see my mouse, but like over far to where he is with the bike right now. He put his car to the right of that, like in the corner in no one's parking space. If you had a purpose, you should make a detection of thieves based on the pattern of the driving. So, yeah, man. If only I had a. Well, Apple just released their foundational model, right? Incorporate it into my app. Let's get some facial recognition going. Person of interest. You ever seen that show? AI facial recognition. Make a better movement manage monitoring system than this stupid camera. So he's there like locking up his bike, right? So I'll just go a bit faster here. It'll take his time to lock up the bike, right? Oh, here we go. He's gonna walk back. He's gonna finish in a second here. Here he goes. Okay, he didn't do anything. He definitely didn't do anything. I thought maybe he would have done it. He might have done it a different day though, because maybe he did it like with his bike possibly. Because there's a couple scrapes here on the side of my car that are definitely not visible in this video. But oh, look, it's me. It's me, I'm Mario. There I go. Where am I going? I don't know. Am I going to work? Maybe. Am I going to pick up Emmy? Probably. Considering I'm going very... So here I'm leaving. What the hell? Where did I go? Well, holy shit. I'm gone, so now it doesn't matter. Now we just skip through. Technically. And then... What is she doing? What? What is she doing? What is she doing? Well, I need to. This is an old camera, though, by the way. It's old camera. What the... She's taking photos of everything. Look. She's also a bit creepy. So... I'm thinking... Maybe she did it. I don't think I come back in this video, though. I think I'm gone this whole time. Yeah, I'm gone. Me gone. Let's have a quick look at this one here. I think I come back in this video. Or this was an accidental video. Hold on. Look at this. Is it the same... Same clip? Same clip, I think. Yeah. So, not that one. Yeah, you'd hope so. I don't think it is. No, I think I have to pay my insurance fee to get this fixed if I want it fixed. So here we go. I'm here. Bike. I think this might be a similar clip to the other one too. 9-7. Oh yeah. So nothing happens here, and then I leave, right? I pretty much leave there. So there was only a couple clips that I got because it was freaking difficult to organize this thing. Organizing getting the camera stuff. The room is fucked. Okay, where am I? Here. So I'm parked now. All right. Is that me going back? I paid 17K for my car. Who was that? I just saw somebody. Who is that? Did you see that? Play back faster. There's someone here. I feel like I'm procrastinating. But there's... Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Hold up. Hold up. What do we got going on here? Wait, what is he... What? Hold on. What's he doing? Was that the beginning of when he comes in? He comes in. and looks at my car? Why? Why does he do that? Does he come back? Why does he come and look at my car there? That's so weird. That's so weird. I'm gonna make a note of that. On the 10th, 10th, 8:48 a.m. Yeah, we did. Well, that's why we got this, right? That's why we got this. We reported it to them. I'm gonna have to go now. Just got a new task coming in. Okay, see you, man. Thank you so much for stopping by. I promise you I'll be on coding next time. Promise you when you come in. Thanks for investigating for me. With me. I only have a couple clips, that's why I'm going through them. It's pretty important for me to do, and I ended up getting them and forgot I checked them, and my mom called me and was like, check them quickly. And so I had to quickly check them. Okay, so that's him leaving. That's him there. That's actually him. Right there. The, see, he's taking his car to some other spot. Weird, right? Just is weird shit. Alright. Let's see if there's anything else here. I think you should upload the clip to the ChatGPT. AI prompt asking that help? For potential did that. That could be good. But I feel like we also actually that yeah, that would I mean if it could scan the entire video, that'd be awesome. I don't know if it can though. Here he is again. Dude, he never stops coming over here. Is it because of his bike? Okay, he seems to not care about my car, so that's good, but it was weird that he first came over and eyed it like what was that about? Or in the second clip he eyed it off. It was very strange. God, I wish everyone was normal in this place. Jeez. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go, boys. Raj. This guy right here is the manager that hates my parents. He hates him. Seeing him here, right next to my car, like he's pointing at something. He's probably confused what this car's doing there. Okay. This is getting very interesting now. Okay. Well, I can't. Well, if I don't have proof, I can't. Look, what is he? Hold on. They don't have proof. They're not gonna do anything. He's. They're chatting there. He's not near that section yet. You know what's crazy about this? What I'm seeing right now? You know what's crazy? It's crazy because the person who initially told us they didn't see anyone here, they didn't see this. No, there's nothing the police can do here. As much as I wish they would do something. If I have we have to file a vandalism report probably. But this is very strange. Does that look like they're keying it? Hold on. So it doesn't look like he's doing anything. But he no, I don't think he would have done anything in front of him perhaps, but this is weird what they're I don't know what they're talking about here. Oh man. Yeah, dude, we've already been through the whole rigmarole. We've been through it. Everyone hates them in here. They hate my parents. Um, Even the other managers in here hate them. So, yeah, I mean they are, but we can't do anything. We can't really do anything. Like maybe we could maybe file like a court thing, but sometimes it's just not worth it to bother. They're not a threat like they'll kill you, but they're a threat like they'll damage your property. That's they one of the people in here think that they damaged their property, so I would not be surprised if Tom, that guy, came back and scratched my car. Not be surprised at all. No, just go for it. Police must be good at your country. Raj, you do not know Australia. You do not know Australia. It's not like that here. America, on the other hand, yes. Australia, no. Not quite. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. I'm I'm hoping he just goes in there. Actually, no, you know what? I'm hoping he goes over to my car. Because I want to see what happened. Okay, he does nothing there. Okay, he does nothing. He does nothing. I mean, maybe it wasn't them at all. I don't know. I don't know for sure. I can't straight up blame him. That's why we have the footage. Okay. She's going to this thing, right? Okay. Okay, so there's nothing here at the moment. I can't because there's no proof that they did it. There's no proof. I'll just quickly let me just grab this clip real quick. What time is it? 10 something? Oh, yeah. I just have to grab this clip. No, they won't. They don't do it like that here. Be nice. It would be nice if they did. Cause they just don't they don't want to help you unless they have something to go off of. They don't. They won't have anything to go off of. So, yeah. There's nothing we can do about it. I know they should investigate. I totally agree with you. I do agree with you. I'm not saying I don't agree with you. I'm saying they won't agree with us. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's change that back to Mac. Here we go. Let's quickly record this. I mean, he could have done that. Like, no. Well, it's not good. Don't be sorry to say it. It's not good. So look, I'm just taking this clip here and I'm gonna give it to my give it to someone here. Hold on. I mean, that guy, like, Lucio walked in front of him, so he could have done it behind him. Maybe. So let's stop that clip. Let's go in there and didn't record audio, did I? This? Yeah, all right, okay. So, gonna save that. Done. Here in India, police will be very active if they get this much of a clue. Well, this isn't really a clue. Would you really say this is a clue? It's not. Like, you can't see anyone doing anything. You can only see him walking by. What would they actually investigate though? Like what but when they get well that's good. That's great. No, they didn't take my car. They keyed my car. They like they scraped it. They scratched it. They scratched it. So it's not they didn't take my car. So that would be great. If it was taken, yes, maybe that would be something to go to the police. I think maybe were confused what happened to my car. It wasn't taken. It was actually just scratched. But it's still a serious scratch, serious thing. So that's why I have that. All right. I'm just going to send that straight to my body corporate manager. Why is it not sending? What? It doesn't exist? Yes, it does exist. I just clipped it. Dude, what? Oh, yes, and don't think police. No, they won't. Exactly. Bro, why? What is wrong with my desktop doesn't exist? Are you kidding me? The file desktop does not exist. Something's wrong here. Bro. I've got some weird ass files problem. Some weird iCloud issue here. I don't know why it's not sync. It's like it doesn't. I don't know what's going on, honestly. I can't like it's like I can't access my files. It says the documents account error. It may be out of date. I don't understand. I don't know. Something weird's going on. No, it's not my password. It's iCloud synchronizing thing. Yeah, it does suck. Yeah. No, it's a synchronization issue. Um, and I don't know why it's not some st oh yeah, see, I can't open anything, bros. I can't open anything. The whole iCloud system is not. I think I maybe have to log out, log back in from iCloud or something. I don't know. Probably do. It's that classic log out, log in thing. I can't even get. It's so annoying because I can't even get the clip that I want to. I literally saved the clip, and I immediately can't access it because it's not. It doesn't exist according to the iCloud. Well, then I'll have to end my stream if I do that. Well, look, I'll work on this for like an hour, and then I'll sort it out for that. I have to send the clip, but it's fine. Yes, I do. And I use my Mac, not a PC. It's a wonder that anything else works. I broke my laptop. Oh no, what happened? That's just like mine, how mine broke. That's why I have a new one now. I think maybe a sign out, sign in might be the go here. The hell? Or maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, I tried that last time. Maybe that didn't work. It was sorry, 1 sec. 64169. So I hate issues like this. Can't bezel of my laptop is broken. I have second party screen. My laptop sucks. Oh man. Oh shit. Yeah, man, I was very lucky to be able to buy a new one, to be honest. Oh, maybe there was an issue that it wouldn't allow download. I just saw when I re-logged in here. Use HP ProBook. It is expensive. What the hell is an HP ProBook? Oh yeah, is that the one where you can touch the screen? I don't know which one you have. Is that the one where you can touch the screen with that? Yeah, I mean any amount of money is a lot. Okay, so this is all getting signed in, I guess, right now. Everything has to re-download, I think. Still trying to sign in. All right. So, since we last checked out this app, oh shit, I think I'm fuck. Damn it. Hold on, I gotta sign into my music again. Since we last checked out this app, um, we have done a little bit of updating. And here we go. Oh, I can't really play any music, sorry. Kind of fucked at the moment with this whole situation here. Actually I can. Hold on, I can. Here we go. Nice. Is that working? Is my headphones even connected? Bros, nothing's... What is going on with my... At this point, I'm thinking to just reformat my Mac. Like, it's just been fucked recently. It should auto-connect my headphones. Can't even connect my headphones. Anyway, whatever. Sorry, guys. I think maybe you can hear the music. I don't know. HP 455 G10 AMD Ryzen. AMD Ryzen seems good, but is that just a is that a mobile graphics card or what? Here we go. So that's why. I had a problem, I realize. I had to turn on everything. There we go. Everything was off for some reason. Jeez. Alright, there we go. So stupid sometimes. Sometimes this is so stupid. Alright. So apparently iCloud's working. Apparently. but it needs time to activate. So, all right, we'll see what happens. Integrated AMD. Oh, I'm not a fan of integrated stuff, to be honest. I think Mac excels there with that part. Okay, so we're not gonna BRB anymore. We're gonna be here. And you guys can enjoy that music. I can't hear it. It's fine. And let's see. So we've got a scrolling thing here now. This is what we've got. We've got this scrolling list. So we're accessing the time. AI helped us write this, not gonna lie. But it loads at least one time zone every hour. And then we need we want, okay, so this would be the current temperature, right? Oh no, would it be the, oh no, we want, what do we have? Do we have the weather? We have, you can't buy $3,000 stuff. Oh, that's, I totally understand. I totally understand. I'm not saying buy it. I'm just saying that's where I think Mac really wins, is because of that that superiority when it comes to graphics cards. Like, I'd much prefer a PC with an external graphics card than an integrated one. Now that I've experienced what integrated is like, I wouldn't ever go back to a laptop with an integrated. Okay, so what do we want to do here? We have a random image, but we want the, what do we want the image to show? The weather currently, right? Like rainy or sunny or whatever, right? Wouldn't we? That's what we would want. So let's make an enum then. Weather, I don't want it to be called weather model, weather types. Sure. Clear, cloudy, rainy, sunny, windy. So what we want to do is, I think we want to at state weather weather type of type weather at state var. What am I doing? Weather type, weather types, right? Dot, no, equals dot clear. Wait, what? Oops. Is that why? Hold on. Yeah, there you go. What have I done here? Okay, there we go. All right. So we want, what? Whoa. We actually have an error? What's our error? Oh. Let's just give it a default value, dot clear. Now we won't have an error. Okay. And geez, my voice. So we want a switch here. We want to switch on this weather type. switch on weather type, and case dot clear. We want to we want to get rid of that, right? And we want to put the cases here. Case dot sunny, case dot cloudy, case dot, I'm not making a mistake here, am I? Rainy, and then case dot what was the last? Case dot windy, right? All cases are handled, right? So that works. So we should not have an error here. And then on, oh, what's our error? What do we? Huh? There's no error. What? What's the error? Bruz, what is the error? Oh, go on. Go on, Jonathan. What's your recommendation? I'm always open to that. You can declare the image once, then in system name use weather type dot raw value to define the enum as having the image symbol name be the raw value. So you're saying like this, and then in here, like that? So in the enum, case sending equals sun dot whatever symbol. Right. Okay. So we wouldn't be switching then, right? We'd just be declaring that earlier. Would we declare that here? Wait, can we declare it here? Because the enum is a string. So would we do like this and then, for example, or wait, how do I do this? Case clear equals symbol name here. Equals clear. Yeah, okay. Now I see. Okay. Case rainy. Case sunny. And case windy. Whoa. You want to use SF simple tags? Yeah. SF would be great here. So weather type dot raw value goes here. But then how would we change it? Would we do like, where would we swap it around? Do you know what I mean? Like when it would swap, would I do like some sort of ternary thing, or then it will just use the string for whatever weather type is? Oh, right. So whenever weather type changes, it'll just swap that. Okay. So in that case, we would have like a switch later or somewhere in here, or an if statement where, depending on a certain scenario, it would change the weather type. I actually have SF symbols right here. It doesn't like put them in. Imagine if they put them in quotes for you. How amazing would that be? We can do cloud.rain here. And then we can get maybe I don't think there's a really we can just use cloud, I guess. Equals, oh yeah, cloud, that's it. And the windy equals. Would it be called wind though? Oh yeah, it literally is called wind. It's literally called wind. Right. So that's awesome. So once you define, I feel like I don't need case iterable there. Once we define these here, we don't need to define them ever again, and we just chuck it in here, and it can change the raw value. You, Jonathan, are a freaking genius. You're a freaking genius. Thank you. Sorry, one second. I have to check something outside really quickly. I have to check if someone's car is here. Okay. Ugh. So, do my headphones want to connect yet? Maybe they don't. There we go. Connect them up. Nice. We're connected. I think. Are we? Yeah, we are. Sweet. I can hear the music now. God damn it. Where is my damn charging cable? Fuck. Fuck. Fort Moit. I promise you I'm not Australian. Well, I am Australian technically, but ugh, I am Australian. Okay, iCloud is still not working. I don't know. I think there's something wrong with my There's something wrong here. My iCloud. What the hell, man? What the hell? Moit. Okay, apparently I have a desktop folder now. I'm using Xcode. Majesty. Majestic. Majestic. Using Xcode, my friend. I freaking love Xcode. Thank you very much. Sauce to anyone who doesn't love it. Okay, so great news. My video clip does work, but it doesn't want to open with QuickTime for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. My Mac is just bugging all over the place. What is going on? What is happening? Sorry, I was trying to send this video off to someone before, that's why. Uh, God. Why is there so much that I have to deal with it all the time? I don't know. I haven't had the pleasure of using it yet. Started with VS Code. VS now I'm using Cursor. What makes Xcode stand above all? Well, my friend, I don't know. I mean, to be honest, I haven't used I've used a bit of VS Code, but not really enough to know if it's really good or not, in my opinion. But what I know about this, I can just tell you what I know, is that it has great, well, I would say amazing predictive text, quite amazing, in most scenarios. It's only rarely wrong, um, on, what you want to write. And then you've got this really nice visual aspect to it, like the aesthetic of it, the look of it, I really really like. Um, it has a lot of ease of use tools. It's immediate. There's no setup at all to get started, so that's awesome. You can immediately start coding. You don't have to worry about dependencies or packages or anything like that. Getting downloading things, running scripts. You don't have to do anything like that to get it started. Um, and it just feels like really it's definitely missing some things, especially in the GitHub realm of stuff, and like, there's probably a lot of other stuff that's missing. But for what I'm doing, I'm quite happy with it. Hey random, how's it going? We're working on a I know you've come in at a weird time because I'm standing here like this, but I'm working on a weather app. So we've got weather here, we've got Brisbane, which is pretty much the closest big city to me. And we got hours running through. It doesn't look nice at the moment. It looks very ugly. I know you wouldn't love to use an app like this. We'll work on that later. We are going to finish. We're going to get this app up and running, and it's going to be a portfolio app for my thing. Thanks, man. Trying. Thanks, Majestic. Appreciate it. You too. Keep going, man. Keep going. Keep going, everyone. Now, I got up for a reason, so give me one sec. I'm trying to remember what I was doing. I think I realized I was waiting for my mom to text me back, but she didn't. So that's fine. Oh, actually, she did text me back. Give me a sec. Sorry, I gotta take a photo of a car. Fuck me. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be really special in those projects. Oh yeah, you know it. You know it, random. I mean, I want to do it faster though. I want to build it faster. I just have so many distractions at the moment. It's really, really annoying me. And it's like not ones that I can turn off. I can't just like distance myself from the distraction at the moment. It's not a typical distraction. All right, so we've got some amazing advice from Jonathan here. So we just need switch. We're gonna have some control systems down here. Um, can we have it? Let's just test if um let's see, weather view let weather dot temperature equals not nil. I don't want to equal nil. Um, is greater than 0. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be. Wait, what? Is it? Oh, can it equal nil? No. If it's equal to, I mean, it can, but if it temperature or well, yeah, we want temperature, right? Let's look at the thing. We want to change the thing, change the icon depending on the temperature. Or no, depending on the weather type, but we don't have types, do we? We don't have weather types. We don't have weather. We have city, we have temperature, we have the date, time. Oh, we don't have. Maybe we'll just do day, night. If dot hourly data is equal to, I don't know, 1? Does that work? No, it probably doesn't work. No. If you don't find the solution right now, what are you working on? Are you going to take help from AI? If yes, what AI do you use? Yes, so occasionally I do use AI. I had AI help me with this. I mean, I know what this is like roughly I know what this is doing. I don't know everything about everything. Like I don't know components, I don't know. I don't often use separated by. Um I know this part. But like I see what it's doing, so that's the important part. Um and I use AI. Like I usually use Grok 3, and I when I can't figure something out, for example, or when I just don't know, I don't have the knowledge. Like in here, I had to get it to set this up for me, the CL location, the coordinate stuff, so I could get the city name that was local to me. So that was able to extract from the coordinates of the API. But generally I don't use it unless I really need help with it. And here I might need help because I don't know. The thing is, I don't know how to properly use this API. That's my problem. So yeah, I definitely use AI to help me, but it's usually specific cases. So here we don't want this. We don't want cloudy. We just want night and day, right? Base night equals moon. Case day equals sun. That's all we need. If hourly data, can we use hourly data? Dot day. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, yeah. You have to. Like if you don't learn yourself, if I don't learn, well, I mean, if I don't learn myself, I don't learn. The main thing is I use it to learn. I just don't use it to write my code for me. That's just the main thing. The main difference from I'm assuming most people who get into coding, they start to use AI to write for you. I just get it to write for me things that I definitely don't know how to do, and I look at the what it gives me to see if I can understand, and I ask it, what are you actually doing here? So I can understand what it's calling upon, you know? So okay, my problem is how do I switch or whatever on? So I'm gonna need to use AI here because maybe I'm being stupid, but I don't realize how to do this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it my enum. Let's go over to Grok. You can see Grok, right? Yeah. New question. I have this enum and I have this file. I think it already has this file, but I'll just update it. How would I um switch on or create a conditional statement around getting the weather type.raw value to change depending deepening depending on the hour of the day. For example, if the time of day daddy what time of day was before hold on, I gotta send that video to my mom now. What up? Where's me mum? Me mum. Here we go. Wonder how do you learn language? Let's say, how did you learn JS? I never learned JS. I only know Swift. I'm learning Swift self-taught with tutorials online. Using YouTube, using Udemy, all stuff like that. Times Day was before like let's say 6 a.m. The icon would be on dot night. The icon of the raw value would be dot night. And if before 6 wait, if it was from between what time would it what time do you think? Like at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. It was between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. The value would be dot sunny. All right, so let's see how it would do this. Maybe I'm being stupid and I can't think of how to do it, but I don't think I am. Okay, so we need the local date, not the hourly data. That makes a lot of sense. So that was me being a little stupid. So if we go like if uh wait, can we get we don't have any data there, so I don't think we need hourly. What is that? No, we don't have that. We don't have access to that either. Um oh yeah, we don't well, we wait. If we were doing date, would we not be able to just access the date in here or no? Where do we have date in here? Let date formatter. Date formatter. Can we put that in? Can we chuck that in? No. Okay, let's see what it does. Hey, Aniket. What's up? Built filter and sort backend yesterday. Implementing in front end. Oh, well, you should be proud of yourself that you learned that. I've had a hell of a last couple days, so trying to learn is recently is just so annoying because I've got so much going on. Swift at first, you just watch the basics, then make a little project like that. Sort of. I mean, I follow a bunch of projects first. I learn the basics, follow some projects, learn more basics, go back to the basics, learn some other projects, learn some stuff that I want to learn, then go back to basics again because I end up needing refreshers all the time. And then yeah, I'm working on some projects now because I've been doing 6 months of like that repeating thing. Real skill is built when making projects. Yeah. So let's see. We need to use the date to get the date. We get the date. So what are we doing here? We're creating. Are we gonna make a function here? Oh no. Let calendar equals calendar.current. Let. Okay. On appear, we get the weather type equals hour greater than or equal to 18, or night, otherwise day. Oh, that's actually a very concise way to write that. I'm impressed, Grok. Well done. I mean, assuming it works. Hold on, I need to give it this and make sure. Well, does would we do anything differently in that sheet, in that file content view that you just provided if after you notice here we already have a date formatter? Let's see what it says. Does leverage existing output format to determine the local hour and weather. So we don't have to write it again. Yeah, so this is what I want to know. How do I access that other thing there? So let's see here. Is it the same thing? No, it's different. Brock will now go and brag that John complimented me. Yeah, yeah. I actually did something right! Guys! Guys! Speaking of guys, I actually have to go to the gym soon, by the way. I'm gonna try and do another stream tonight, but I don't know if I can because I have to do Uber again. Yep, that's right. YouTube has not freed me yet. Not quite. We're getting there though. So what's the main difference between this and there's no difference because we're setting new variables here. So why don't we just do the simpler version, right? There's no point. That's when it says just random shit sometimes. Because look here, hold on. Right, okay, so I can't use it actually. Hold on, do I have an on appear in here already? Oh yeah, I do. Yeah. So I'm not gonna do that. In the on appear, we're gonna do what Grok has said here. Add a property. Wait, optional. Use weather locations time zone. If you want weather type to reflect time of day and the location from weather view model, update on appear to use the UC offset set seconds from API response. You'll get you'll need to modify weather vmodel to expose UTC offsets and then adjust the counter. So I have to add a new property to access it. Yeah, actually, I prefer to do that. So let's add that. Where? Var UTC offsets. Offset seconds. Type int. And it's gonna be probably an issue down here. Oh no, what do we have to do here? Func get weather data. Async throws, and then what do we have here? Just encode. Let weather response. Let weather response. Try decode decoder self from data, and then below that self dot UTC offset seconds equals weather response dot offset seconds. Store UTC offsets UTC offset. So here, once the function runs, we should be able to access the thing here. Wait, what? You do Uber? That's cool. Let's go. Pay him YouTube. Yeah, trying. YouTube, pay me, you bitch. You do Uber too. That's cool. I not only do Uber Eats, but I do Amazon delivery too. I saw in YouTube people doing code in Tesla car screen. Really? That's interesting. Like as a like a monitor? That's pretty cool. Now we can use this in here, which makes sense. So equals calendar dot current. So we're just following what. Okay. And then let now equal date. Oh, getting a phone call hour equal. Sorry, I'm getting a phone call. 1 sec. Sec. Oh boy, sorry. I had to charge my phone real quick as well. And I realized the music stopped. There we go. What's up, man? What's up, Post Moon? Welcome in. All right, we're back to here. Man, I'm getting in the groove now, though. This is fun. So, oh, the date that we want weather type equals hour. Let's do it like they did because I really like this concise format here. Or hour is less than 6 dot night Otherwise day. See if that works. So right, so it doesn't seem to have worked. How it's probably working behind the scenes, but we might not have. Right, look, so it's printing sun. So that's right. That's correct. See, so it is working. However, it's not displaying for some reason. I'm self-employed. Kaze. I'm self-employed. Right. So it works, but it doesn't work. Let's get clarification here with Grok and see what it says. Would that affect it? Really? No. Image scale large. Let's see. Moon. Okay, so moon works. Oh, wait. Hold on. No. If you put it in quotes, does it work? Still doesn't work. No, it wouldn't work in that sense. It should return correctly because it is returning the right thing. However, it's not quite returning the right thing. I know that doesn't make sense. Just gonna test this and see if it does anything. No. Okay, so it works but doesn't work. Weird. I wonder if it's the preview? Probably not, right? Hold on, let's see. That should appear, right? Oh, oops. There you go. Just checking quickly in the simulator here. Okay, so no, the simulator doesn't. It should come up here anyway. It should say weather type. Oh, it doesn't even. Oh no, it doesn't because that won't. That okay, because it won't display text. It has to be exactly the icon, right? So, Which it should be working right now. It should be working. Moon, sun. Both of those work. I have a better idea. I actually have a better idea here. You cannot withdraw money from YouTube until 100. That's correct. Yes, that is absolutely correct. Let me check my messages here. Hold on. Holy shit, what was that? Hold on. Okay, never mind. It's fine. It's fine. I thought someone like slammed into someone else outside. Jesus. Okay, I have an idea. How about we rework this? Instead of the solution we have now, I have an idea. I actually have an idea. So let's see, how does this work? Let UTC offset equal weather view model UTC offset seconds. What if we get the date and time, wait, the current date and the current time on the content view page, content view, and then use a ternary instead of the raw value, because that will not display. Let's take it out of on appear. Actually, maybe we don't need to take it out of on appear. We just need to wait, what if we just wait, weather type. Can I? Oh, I can only put raw value in here, right? I can't put, yeah. Weather type. Doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything either. I don't know what I'm doing. You're from Australia. I've been really confused which continent you're part of. No, I'm from America, but I live in Australia. Hold on, I got a important phone call. Huh? Australia, what a continent it's part of. It's Australia is a continent. It's an island continent, actually. Sorry, I said that like I was aggressive, but I'm not being aggressive, sorry. It's an island continent, damn it! Ow, I bit my cheek. Hurts. Not now, but before. I thought this would be, maybe this is just too stupid. This is useless. Look, so what if we just do this? Can we put this in here? What if we just do this? Okay, hold on. We can't on appear. We right, we have that, but then we don't have access to our. But ugh, can we do this in a function instead? No, it's fine. When I search Google, they say Oceania. Yeah, it's part of Oceania. Yeah, but that's not a continent. Oceania is not a continent. Australia is a continent. She called me and said, "Can you do it? I'll let you in right now." But I said, "It's gonna take too long today. I don't have time." And she said, "Okay, I'll come back tomorrow." Do you watch cricket? No, I do not. I don't watch any sports, to be honest. Okay, here's what I debug this deep debug display hour verification. Here, this is what I want. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. It is working. I think sun is not correct. Again, a phone call. Hello? All right, guys, off the phone. Yes, it's working, and we know why now because my dumbass brain wrote sun instead of sun max. There's no icon called sun. So yeah, it actually works. So AI isn't as stupid as we thought. It's good to know. Good to know how this works. Um, so what we're doing here is we're creating a variable that holds the current calendar date, I'm guessing. And if UTC offset equals UTC offsets because it's a optional, then calendar dot time zone equals time zone UTC offset, which is the one from here, which is weather dot UTC offset. Oh no, which is that from here, I guess. Otherwise, it equals that current, and then we're getting the date, putting it in now, and then we're making an hour, the hour equal a component of calendar, the dot hour from now. So I don't know properly how to use this system. I still need to do some research on that, but it works. So that's the important part, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna have to love you and leave you because I have to go to the gym with my friend. We're gymming together today, which is awesome. We usually do most of the time, but recently we haven't gotten that much time to do it. So yeah. Thanks for joining me. Really appreciate the support again as always, and thank you. Can't thank you all enough for watching all the dumbass ads that come on my stream because we're trying to quit Uber here, so hopefully we can do that. And hopefully they're not too annoying. No, this is Xcode, brother. Xcode. Thank you, Random. You too. Hope you have an awesome rest of your day. And I'll either catch you guys tonight or my night crew might be on tonight if I'm on. Or otherwise I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'm streaming tomorrow again as well. So, see you then. Take care all.